If you want to navigate between different workbooks, right now I have only one single workbook, so I will just use Control N on my keyboard to open about 3 or 4 different workbooks, right? If I want to navigate between these workbooks now, I just have to go and locate the Excel icon on my taskbar, right? So if I click on the Excel icon on my taskbar, it will show me the different workbooks that I have opened, and I can use that to select the workbook that I want to navigate to, right? Now, alternatively, I can use Alt Tab on my keyboard, right? But if you use the Alt Tab on your keyboard, it's just going to show you the different windows that you have opened, and you can use that to locate your Excel file, right? Now, the other good alternative that you have is for you to return to a previous workbook that you were coming from, right? Rather than using Alt Tab, you can use Control Tab, right? So if I use Control Tab, that can basically, take me between different Excel workbooks, right? So if you say I'm moving between workbook 5 and workbook 6 right now. So, and this is a little bit different from when you use the Alt Tab, because the Alt Tab generally returns you back to the previous window you were coming from. So for example, if I use the Alt Tab to go to PowerPoint now, like this, if I press the Alt Tab again, this is going to take me to Excel. Alt Tab again is going to take me back to that PowerPoint. But if I use Control Tab instead, right? So between one Excel workbook to the other Excel workbook, it will just continue to, take me between book 5 and book 6.